Starting a laser engraving business can feel overwhelming. Most people think that it's just about a machine, but the truth is, success takes more than that. You need training, resources, and a clear plan. That's why we created the SA Laser Pathfinder Program. This is your step-by-step roadmap to launching and growing a real engraving business. So in just 5 days, you'll get a hands-on training with your machine, learning how to engrave with confidence. But we won't stop there. Pathfinder also gives you the business tools to actually succeed. A customized website, access to our downloadable design library, our HubSpot CRM for lead acquisition, curated local business leads that help you find customers that are interested in your products in your area. You'll also join a community of engravers who share designs, strategies, and real-world advice, so you never have to figure it out alone. The Pathfinder program is more than a course. It's a launch pad for your engraving career. So build something that's yours and start your path today with SA Lasers.